A Friend Asks is the Jason Foundation's free smartphone app that can provide you with the tools and resources to help a friend or yourself who may be dealing with thoughts of suicide. Within the app, there is Get Help Now. This can connect you with the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. Also, How to Help a Friend. This lists do's and don'ts, suggestions of things you can and shouldn't do if you feel a friend may be struggling. Also, warning signs. Warning signs are things a friend may display if they've been having thoughts of suicide. Also within this app are resources for help, ideas of people you can go to if you feel a friend may be in need, as well as information on local hospitals and information on the Jason Foundation. Download the app today and encourage your friends and family to do the same. Education is the key to prevention, and with information like this as close as your smartphone, you could help save a life.